It's Bar Double R here. We are letting the babies that we've pinned up so they could be weaned from their parents, we are letting them out today. It's been about 3 weeks, and we're gonna introduce them back to the herd. Right now they're still eating, so it may be just a little bit, but we'll see their reaction when they come out. I'm gonna have to turn this off and turn it back on. My battery's dying.
Here, want me to go get them out?
Nah, but we'll wait till they come out a little bit. Oh, they're getting pushed around a little bit.
Hey, come here. Hey, come here. What is it, huh, sugar? What is it, sugars? What is it, sugars? Hi.
They're excited, but they don't know why yet.
Hi. Wonder who my baby
Yeah, I believe those are the three, honey.
I think so. You remember Mom. You do. You do remember Mom.
Kimber's trying to play with them, but
Hey. You're not my shirt. Hey, baby. Come here. Here, bottle baby. Come here. Come here, baby.
that one tried to nurse the big one that one was trying to nurse Mom. Look,
Trying to nurse Mom.
yeah, Mom's not allowing it though.
Nope. What are you chewing on me for, huh? What are you chewing on me for? You remember Mama, huh? You do, you remember Mama. That was the worst. You're not going to chew on my hair. There we go. I think they'd take a nitty bottle with
I think they would too. There's the other one found her mom. Look, she's trying to nurse and Mom's not having it.
No, this one's here's trying to get a bottle and Mom ain't having it. Get back. Get, Kimmy. Get.
Oh.
Oh, that one's got a stick. Uno found her way, didn't she?
Oh yeah,
She knows where the
she's no stranger to the feed bucket. Oh no, this one's letting them. But she doesn't have anything to give, so we're good. They'll figure it out.
I hope it don't come back now.
It shouldn't. It's amazing how they still know who their mom is and everything after the amount of time they've spent. I got that on film. Kimber. I think I got that too.
Kimber, no.
Yeah, she's just having to get out of her system. Everybody's YouTube, just in case this drops off, please like and subscribe. My battery's down to like 10% now, so it's gonna go out at some point pretty quick.
Kimber, no. Hey, Kimber.
She's just trying to play with them. She's not being rough with them. Well, I guess that's it.